G-Thing, brought to you by Northwell, who believes when we raise health, we raise everyone. Northwell, raise health.
After years of playing football, this team needed a Hail Mary.
It was scary, I'll tell you that.
At the age of 15, Caelan Chevrier went down.
I was doing some sprint drills for football practice, and I passed out. I collapsed onto the floor, which is something that never had happened to me before. I was very lightheaded. I had a shortness of breath.
The call was made to Caelan's parents.
The first time that we knew he had a problem is when his trainer on the football team called us and said that he had passed out. We needed to take him for an EKG.
The results were abnormal.
What was the problem with the heart?
So I have this genetic disorder, and my heartbeat will get really, really fast, and then out of nowhere it will crash, which is not healthy.
Caelan's only option at that point was to have a pacemaker implanted to regulate his heartbeat, a diagnosis that was tough for a 15-year-old and certainly for his parents.
That was a little confusing because that's something I thought was more for older people, but they said that I could have serious issues down the road if I didn't have it installed. I didn't feel the best about myself, I'm not gonna lie.
I obviously started to cry. It's still hard today to talk about it. When you hear that it's your child that has this condition and that it's going to be a lifelong condition, it's tough to hear.
Dr. Gossett, who is the head of pediatric cardiology at Cohen's Children's Medical Center, says a heightened awareness about children's heart issues is helping save lives.
When we think about heart disease, we don't think about children, we don't think about teens. What should parents be aware of?
It's actually one of the most common inborn problems that we see. About 8 in 1,000 children might be born with a congenital heart problem. About a quarter wind up being things that we really need to do something about.
Signs that your child may have a heart issue include difficulty eating, shortness of breath, growth problems, and fatigue. As for Caelan, his pacemaker surgery was a success.
The procedure was a little scary, that they would be inside of my chest, which is a little crazy, but I woke up. I was happy that I was alive.
How are you doing today? How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good. About 5 years after I got the surgery, and I feel like that same kid that I was before.
Thank God for medical staff on the football team who realized something wasn't right. And if it wasn't for them, truly, we don't know where we would be today.
Is it fair to say you gave your heart for the game?
I guess you could say so.